Hi friends! Today we will see what is a token board or economy board. This is a token board, also known as token economy. Token boards are used to reward children for specific behaviors, such as observing, being quiet, sitting and so on. Who can benefit from using a token board? An individual child or those who work with him or her, including parents, caregivers, teachers, and other professionals. So, why and how is the token board effective? The first benefit is that it increases the motivation of the child. It also serves as a visual aid for fading verbal prompts. Token boards act as a positive reinforcement. The last, but not the least, is to increase the frequency of expected behaviors and prolong their duration. In all of this, the goal is to develop a child's behavior. A PPT file is included here, which you may print and edit according to your needs. Simply cut out the tokens and laminate them for a long-lasting result, and you're ready to go. Velcro can be used to hold the tokens in place. You can put your child's favorite reward items in the additional token board box, which is included in the PPT. Thank you for watching. In the description box, I provided a link to download the file. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow our channel.